Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect Printify to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard right here. So once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections. So right now, just go all the way down and click on edit site. After you click on edit site, you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So basically guys, this page is for the Wix editor, so just wait for it to load. And once loaded, this is how it will look like. So right now, if you go to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. So right now, you're going to find here add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, and under it, you're going to find the option to add applications. So go ahead and click on add apps. And then here, you're going to find app markets and also custom apps. So go ahead and click on app market and then go to the search bar and search for Printify. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then here you're going to find all of these results. Make sure you click on Printify. And then once you do that, you're going to be in the application page. Make sure it's by Printify. And then go ahead and click on add to site. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to Printify. Make sure you log into your Printify account, or if you don't have an account yet, just create an account. Then give your store a name. So I'm going to name it tutorial, for example. Click on connect, and then click on agree and add, and just wait for it to be added. And as you can see, guys, now we connected the Wix store to Printify.